yun akon kagayem kakapsat.
Jollibee. Let's go Jollibee. This is too low. This is too low.
What?
This is too low.
Too low for what?
This one, my.
This is too
This is
high.
too high. Never mind, it's not too high.
This is not too high.
Let's put it all the way down.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right to I-15 North, Salt Lake City.
There you go. Yes, sir. There's mountains. Let's go hiking. I never went hiking in a long time.
You don't want to go hiking.
Use the right lane to turn right
wanna
to
go hiking.
I-15 North, Salt Lake City.
There's mountains. Not like Texas.
You know what that's-
What this guy waiting for? That's the stadium dyan.
Traffic
The
sucks.
Raiders Stadium. Yeah. That's a big stadium.
That's the Raiders stadium.
Oh no. We are traffic sucks. Try swimming with sharks. Are you afraid of sharks?
In 1,000 feet, use the left lane to exit left.
And 2 million feet.
Exit left to I-15 North, Salt Lake City.
I had to yawn.
In 3/4 of a mile, exit to exit 38, Flamingo Road.
Nag-home to lang te ko man eh.
No, I don't,
But you cannot really walk all the way to the strip.
I don't like home.
Huh?
Jollibee!
No, chunky.
Yay! Jollibee!
What is chunking?
Joke.
Choking.
What is choking?
I like choking.
I want Jollibee.
Turn
No,
right.
choking.
Are they closed? They're closed.
Ini madi man dito nang itulungan ng sa pinyada.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left to I-15 South.
Oh my goodness!
That's the one.
New York, New York.
Why is it so?
This is the one, Javier. The one that Tito talking about. The roller coaster.
In 900 feet, use the right lane to turn right on South Las Vegas Boulevard.
This is a big roller coaster.
Turn right on South Las Vegas Boulevard.
But you gotta be 5'4". That's the only one that can go. Can we go hiking?
I'm the one that. that car. That
Is that the Pharaoh?
it's a Pharaoh.
See, we do have mountains.
Or is it the sunshine?
Yeah, brother.
If there's no...
Yeah,
What is it?
I have no idea.
Does it even use a Has it?
Listen, look up the... No, no, no. Turn. Here. Open your eyes. You have to make sure we run this now. No, you don't have to open your eyes. I just have to.
That's the sign.
In 1,000 feet, keep left.
It's a sign.
That's it. That's the
Mommy,
sign.
do I have brown eyes?
Yeah, you do. Is this the border?
Keep left. You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
Alright. Thank you. There's no a lot of people. Good time. Masarap ang dati. This is the car of Mr. Bin Jamir. You know that?
Yeah,
not his car.
Pavani.
We just need it
Mr.
to be
Bean.
green.
Yeah, we...
Where's my bag?
Huh?
Let's go.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
It is Mr. Bean's car. Yeah.
I swear this
We're
car
here.
is so small. I'm so
This is our car.
I'm
Mr.
taller.
Bean's car.
One more. Can you drive?
No.
take picture over here on the
No.
on this side.
I don't want to.
Ikaw, kasama.
Wow.
Why?
Well, look at the ocean.
See the ocean.
It's right in front of us.
I see vision right in front of. Oh.
The ocean is so good.
In half a mile, use the right lane to exit right to exit to US 93 Business, Boulder City.
Why is your head so small?
Exit right to exit to US 93 Business, Boulder City.
Yeah, I told you we're going Hoover Dam.
I have no idea what Hoover Dam is.
I just showed you.
Yeah. I'm going to the Hoover Dam.
It's a place.
In 1,000 feet, at the roundabout, turn left. Then turn
Go,
right.
go, go. Oh. Let's go. We're going to Hoover Dam.
Do we have any weapons? It's
No,
covered.
sir.
Okay. I'm gonna need you to pull over to lane number 3 and pop open the hatchback so they can take a quick peek inside.
Okay.
You got the cover over it.
Thank you.
It's cold.
There's a dog.
Yeah.
There's a dog.
Hello, sir.
Let's see the dam. We are gonna have to get a better look in the back.
Yes, sir.
So if you can go ahead and step out and open that. Any guns on board?
No, sir.
There's a dog.
Where you from? Where you from?
Texas.
What part? Dallas. Oh, I grew up near Louisville.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, ma'am.
That should be not.
Excuse me.
Where?
Down here.
Ooh, la, la,
Oh, there, no, this is.
This is amazing.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. I think that's the one, right? You could
Is
just.
this a
Yeah, I think you could like walk all the way over there.
Is this a Hoover Dam?
Punta tayo mamaya ganun din.
Is
We're
this
just
a
gonna walk
Hoover
all the
Dam?
way.
Kuya?
Wow.
Is this a Hoover Dam?
Oh, look. Look.
What?
I can't see the water.
Hot water. Hot water.
I want to see the water.
Ooh.
Parking $10.
No, we don't park. There's a lot of.
You've arrived. Destination is
See, this is Nevada time, and that side is Arizona time. Oh, I don't wanna come here in like summer. Gonna burn you. It will burn you. No charge. Hoover Dam park. $10.
Hoover Dam parking is $10.
No. Those are free.
Not to walk so far.
Yun. Ito naman ang libre.
Ayan, $10.
$10 din? Ha?
The Grand Canyon.
Mommy, can I
No
have,
parking area 10 po na lang.
Mommy, can I have the drink?
Ito na.
Ha? Follow the pangit. Follow the pangit. Apa na kini? Babani,
the non-guapo guapo.
Babani, what is dam? Dam.
A dam?
Yeah. What is it?
It's like a. It's like a beaver. What? I can't explain it, but I know what it is. It's beaver's creations.
Who's Beaver?
It's a. Can you explain it? I know what it is.
I don't know.
What is dam?
I don't know. Wait, let me
It's
see.
like a type. It's like
Dam.
a beaver building like a home.
A dam is a barrier that stops or restricts the flow of water or underground streams. Reservoirs created by dams not only suppress floods but also provide water for activities.
Welcome to the Winged Figures of the Republic, which were sculpted by Oscar J.W. Hanson. This work of art was designed to honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent ancient Egypt, and the Colosseum represents Rome. At first glance, one
Las Vegas or Nevada have a water problem, Jammer. That's why they build up this one so they could preserve the water. They could, what do you call this? Like, see those white thing.
Yeah.
The level of water is like all the way to the top.
What the?
Yeah, see.
You want me? There's a Justin right there. You don't have
Porque es un cuerpo de agua tan grande, tan masivo.
Is it cold?
Use the phone.
Yeah. What is dam?
Huh?
Huh?
A stop of water flowing. I think it said that.
Yeah, that's right.
No cheating.
Are we gonna go back to the car?
Yeah.
The Mr. Bean car.
Yes.
regulation, irrigation, flood control, water storage for irrigation and domestic use.
Don't touch your mouth.
I didn't say you cannot touch your
Yeah, but how did you?
Kuya, you lost. You're touching your shadow.
You too. The
Do
way
not
you
go to
fell.
Mommy Bunny.
Aside naman.
Jamir, Jamir.
Yeah. Wow, go Mr. Bean! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Taray, Mr. Bean.
Go, 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 go! Go! Yeah!
Stop there.